Nova's Journey, a tale of exploration and discovery. Once upon a time, in a galaxy far, far away, there was a planet called Zorin. It was a world of advanced technology, where machines and computers had replaced most manual labor, and where robots and androids were an essential part of daily life. Zorin was home to a young woman named Nova, who was fascinated by science and technology. She had always been curious about the universe and the mysteries of space, and she had dreamed of one day becoming an astronaut and exploring the stars. Nova was a gifted student, and she excelled in her studies of physics, chemistry, and engineering. She spent most of her free time tinkering with machines and building robots, always striving to push the boundaries of what was possible. One day, Nova received an invitation to participate in a prestigious space exploration program. The program was run by a group of the most brilliant scientists and engineers from across the galaxy, and it promised to be an opportunity of a lifetime. Nova was thrilled at the prospect of being selected, and she poured all of her energy and focus into preparing for the selection process. She spent countless hours studying and practicing, and she even built her own experimental spacecraft to demonstrate her skills. Finally, the day of the selection process arrived. Nova joined a group of other talented young scientists and engineers, each vying for a spot in the program. They were given a series of tests and challenges, designed to assess their skills, knowledge, and creativity. Nova excelled at every task, impressing the judges with her ingenuity and resourcefulness. She solved complex equations, built intricate machines, and even demonstrated her piloting skills by navigating a dangerous asteroid field. After the final round of testing, the judges announced the names of the selected candidates. Nova was overjoyed to hear her name called, and she jumped for joy as the other candidates congratulated her. Over the next several months, Nova underwent intensive training and preparation for the mission. She learned how to operate advanced spacecraft, studied the topography and geology of distant planets, and practiced conducting scientific experiments in zero-gravity environments. Finally, the day of the mission arrived. Nova and her team of astronauts set off in their spacecraft, hurtling through the void of space towards their destination, a distant planet that had been identified as having the potential for sustaining life. The journey was long and arduous, and the crew faced many challenges along the way. They battled radiation storms, navigated treacherous asteroid fields, and even encountered hostile alien life forms. But Nova and her team persevered, driven by their passion for discovery and their determination to succeed. They landed on the planet's surface and began exploring, taking samples of the soil and rocks, analyzing the atmosphere, and searching for signs of life. And then, one day, they found it. A small, primitive creature, unlike anything they had ever seen before. It was a tiny thing, with soft, fur-like hair and curious, inquisitive eyes. Nova was entranced by the creature, and she spent hours observing it and studying its behavior. But Nova knew that her journey was far from over. Despite all that she had accomplished, there were still countless mysteries waiting to be uncovered, and new frontiers waiting to be explored. And so, she continued to push the boundaries of science and technology, dedicating her life to the pursuit of knowledge and discovery. She worked tirelessly to develop new spacecraft and exploration technologies, and she collaborated with other brilliant minds from across the galaxy to advance our understanding of the universe. Years passed, and Nova's name became synonymous with exploration and discovery. She was honored with countless awards and accolades, and her work inspired countless young people to follow in her footsteps and pursue careers in science and technology. And even as she grew older, Nova remained as passionate and curious as ever. She continued to explore new worlds and uncover new secrets, always driven by her insatiable hunger for knowledge and her unwavering belief in the power of science and exploration to change the world. And so, as we look up at the stars and contemplate the vastness of the universe, we can take comfort in knowing that there are people like Nova out there, dedicated to the pursuit of knowledge and the exploration of the unknown. They remind us that, no matter how much we learn, there is always more to discover, and that the mysteries of the universe will continue to inspire and captivate us for generations to come. Thank you for watching, and may the spirit of exploration and discovery continue to guide us towards a brighter future. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.